Hey everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick Sunday video here. I am going to do a separate video here for the new subscribers and shouting out to the subscribers and a couple of channel mentions that I do want to do. But first I wanted to do a video that I've been meaning to do, and it's even more special to me today after a video he did for me yesterday. So most of you already know Buckin Billy Ray. And he did a video yesterday singing happy birthday to me, which I thought was incredible. Never expected anything like that. I was just going through my videos and looking at the videos that I haven't watched yet, and it was actually a video that you just put out yesterday, and I went to watch that one, and boom, I started watching it, and there he is singing, and my name's on the screen and in the description, and I'm like, so I was pretty thrown back by that, and I really appreciate it. It really meant a lot, and all the kind words and everything that everyone had to say in the description of the video. The whole community there is just amazing, and really appreciate it. And Billy Ray is a big inspiration, highly motivated, and motivational. Yeah, so he's very supportive and very good to his friends. So if you are watching, Buckin, I really do appreciate it. It really meant a lot to me, which is why I wanted to do this video. But at the same time, I also wanted to present a new tool that I picked up from Mr. Buckin Billy Ray, an axe that I ordered and that he made for me, which is fabulous. This thing is incredible. It's got an awesome weight to it. It's got a decent edge on it. It's got a really cool look to it. You can see it's been used, which is great. A lot of character to it, and you know, it's been fitted, as you know, very well by the guy who knows best how to fit an axe. So yeah, beautiful handle, very smooth, fantastic firewood splitting tool. But I especially wanted to just mention him. I don't think he needs an introduction to most of the people here that follow me, but there may be some that don't know Buckin Billy Ray yet. He does have his own YouTube channel, Buckin Billy Ray, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description. But you can also go over and check him out on his website, buckinbillyray.com. And this is Buckin here. This is his website. You can see the URL up there to his website. He's got a donate button on his site. He's got some merchandise, of course, axes, which you definitely, if you like this, you want to check that out. But at the very least, pop over onto his channel. Even if you don't want to subscribe, I'll put a link to the video that he posted singing happy birthday, and it would be really cool. It'd mean a lot to me if the subscribers here on this channel would just go over and say hi to him for me. If you have a minute to do that, it would be awesome, and it would mean a lot. Just thanking him for, you know, what he did. So I really appreciate it. I will have a new subscriber shout out video coming out today. I'm going to be working on that next. And until next time, I will see you soon. Take care. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you all soon. And Buckin, thanks again, buddy. I really appreciate it.